Hello, this is Samuel from 中造德派 Cement Carbide Limited. We are the manufacturer of turning inserts, mini inserts, and drills, and grooving inserts, and threading inserts, and also end mills, and also other cutting tools like holders and cutters. Today, we will talk about our U-drills. Please have a look. Now, this is all for U-drill inserts. Please have a look. This is our WCMX 040208. This batch is for WCMX 050308. This is also WCMX 050308. This one is the SPMT, another U-drills type, SPMT 050204. This one is SPMT 07. This one is also 07, 07T 308. This one is SPMT 05 0204. Also you can see this oil is the WCMX. This is also WCMX. This oil is the WCMX. So this is our main inserts for U-drills. If you have any questions, welcome to ask us. Thank you.